Geese Chasers are really awesome. Geese Chasers, oh yeah, they're really awesome.
Hi, my name is Kyla, and I officially started my commissioning. If you want to support me as an artist and help me grow, and want me to not go crazy over this quarantine, then why don't you get a commission by me? One line art is only $5, a full color character is $15, and a full color character with background is $30. I accept PayPal and Apple Pay. Thank you so much. I appreciate you getting my name out there. Bye-bye.
Ooh, you'll find me relaxing. Nothing in my way, you'll find me relaxing. Just being free, you'll find me relaxing. Nothing to worry about, you'll find me relaxing. Just staring at the sea. You'll find me relaxing. Nothing to do. You'll find me relaxing. Just staring into space. You'll find me relaxing. Nothing to move out of place. I'm walking down this path. No one to talk to, no one to see. I'm walking down this road, trying to find a journey. Losing what's inside of me. Such a sad way to go. Looking into a mirror, not being able to find myself. Looking at the dark skies, looking at the flowers falling down. Oh, what a dark day. No fun, nowhere to run. But I will find my way. I will find my way through this catastrophe. I will find my way through this catastrophe. The sky is so dark, nothing there but clouds of gray. Maybe a little wind that blows. But I will find my way. I will find my way back. I will find my way back to this earth, one way or another. I will find my way back to life. I will continue to be successful again, and the flowers will bloom again, and the grass will stand tall again. Run, run, run all day, nothing will ever catch you. Walk, walk, walk all day, see what you can find. Run, run, run away. Run, run, run away, nothing will ever catch you. Walk, walk, walk away, see what you can see. Look, look, look all day, look into space. Run around, up and down, nothing to catch you. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was running, trying to catch a football. I was running, trying to catch a football. In the sunny day, everybody play.
Just got done running, and I'm out here in the woods I used to hike in.
Oh, what a lovely day. A pink sky so bright, making you lose your mind. Not a dark cloud in the sky.